Hey guys, PZ Pro here, and sorry I haven't been vlogging in a while. I'm using the iPad right now actually. I'm trying to sneak it for my brother. Colire! And I'm going to the Wi-Fi place again. I hope the camera's better like this. I don't know, probably isn't, because I don't know where the middle is. So yeah. But I haven't been vlogging because my iPod's been dead. I just gave it to my cousin's boyfriend to charge for me because my both chargers don't work. And it's stupid. That's why I brought an extra one, because if the other one didn't work, but it turns out they both don't work. So that means I have to charge it at someone else's place. So, yeah, let's just go up here. We'll talk a little more because I like sitting better than walking. Well, I don't know who doesn't like it. This is a short vlog, guys. I just wanted to keep you updated on what I'm doing. And hope to see you guys soon. Peace.